Hi guys, so I'm Lenka and I'm the one behind Happy Heart. See, I don't do these videos actually at all because this is out of my comfort zone and I'm super shy. But I feel that the other videos and everything is like something maybe all creators know that feeling that you just have to get out there and do whatever it takes to be visible, to be seen, and to sell your product and stuff. So I going so out of my comfort zone right now and so I'm a little bit nervous now, but anyway, this is me. So I think that this is maybe the key of like everything right now, and I just want to try something new. I can't lose anything, so just bear with me. I want to talk about that crochet starter kit that I promote now. Maybe you could see all my videos there. Might be cringe, might be totally like so scripted because yeah, I just that's gonna I need to like do step by step until I could get to this point to actually talk about it like me naturally. So about a crochet starter kit, what it is. So actually I'm a crocheter for many years, and I was really lucky because when I started to crochet, I went to the shop, randomly picked like a hook, some yarn. It was perfect match actually. It was a worsted weight, yay! And the 5mm hook, yay, perfect. And then I was just scrolling right and looking for the information, what to crochet, where to even start, and everything. So I just made it like a PDF. It's like around 50 pages. Everything breakthrough, like step by step. We start with the theory, which everything, this is something that I feel like it's good to know. Not that you have to remember it all, but I feel like it's good to know like everything about the yarn, the fibers. There are so many fibers and the blends and also the weight, right? And then it's all connected with the hooks. And also like there are two, let's say, type of hooks and materials. And so this is something that, yeah, you might not want to know right away, but I think that it's good to have just like also know, because then it connects everything together. And yeah, so this was the theory. Then also I talk about the gauge, about like what it is, if you need it. Also for like a formula, actually, how to kind of find out your tension and everything, and even where to start for the whole beginners, like a section was the common mistakes. And then I also have a cheat sheet inside, which is also my like a separate product, and it's like just 2 pages, and it's all sums up of the theory basically. So this is something that you can even laminate, always keep it nearby, because there are like a hook sizes in the millimeters in US terms, which I always have to look it up, honestly. Like I don't remember. I know in the millimeters, but then if I would should like if I would like retype what is the US terms, then yeah, I don't know, I have to look it up, so it's kind of annoys me. And then there are like there are also like a symbols and abbreviations, the basic ones, also also the yarn weight, how it connects with the hook sizes and what projects to do it and stuff. So I think that is actually pretty cool. So this is a cheat sheet which also is inside of the crochet starter kit. And then we move to the practical part, because I think that that's what we all want to know, right? How to do it. So then there are basic stitches with my video tutorials, that there are QR codes or the link even, so you can just tap it or just scan it and it leads you to my YouTube video where I explain it. But also it's not just the YouTube videos, there are also written pattern and images inside. So it's also like everything together. And then I also added my 2 crochet friendly beginner patterns. That's, I think that it's actually good to know after you practice. Of course you have to, like, crochet requires practice, patience. So after you learn the basic stitches and you practice a little bit more, then you can go ahead with the patterns, and it's like a simple dishcloth. But oh my goodness, like dishcloth, this is perfect. I use mine at home all the time. It's a beautiful gift. reusable, you know, you don't have to buy any like other ones. And then also the scrunchie, which I love, because then there's a little different technique, and you know, you can yeah, it's like different technique, you learn new skills too. So those two patterns, and then one pattern, or maybe both, I'm sorry, actually, you know, I can have a look right now. Yeah, the one pattern, the dishcloth, and actually also a little bit of the scrunchie. So if I want to show you like this, there's an explanation which is which explains you how to read the pattern. So why in the pattern, let's say, contains the abbreviations, whatever, what is it for, what's the, like, it's more like explained that no one would explain in the pattern. They would just, like, you know, write it like in the shortcuts and everything. And so that way, with that explanation, I think that it would be, it's nice to actually learn how to, yeah, how to read it, or make it more like a confident, you know, for you. So that's what's all in my starter kit. So yes, it is a paid, it is a paid PDF, but I think that $11 is nothing for like a good starting point. I would take it as a, yeah, as a starting point, something that you have everything in one place. So it saves you time scrolling, saves you like even searching for the videos. And yes, if you might, let's say, wouldn't be clear, just let me know. I would totally appreciate it. We can have some conversation. I can also like, I don't know, you know, have a little chit chat, and I can maybe help you more. It would also help me to, you know, have the feedback, whatever. But it's more like about, this is something what I wish also to have, you know, when I started, like something all like all sums up, and step by step exactly how I would learn it, and something that I can print it out and I can always come back to it. And when it's the paid pattern, yes, it is a paid thing, because it's the information that, again, saves you time. You don't have to scroll, you know, endlessly. And I think that it's very simply explained that it will make you like a confident crocheter, and then you can just continue with your crochet journey. Anyway, now now I think that that's all what I wanted to say. Of course, like, I would appreciate like any feedback, and I think that I'll be doing maybe more of those videos, and who knows how that will go. But I think that this interaction is maybe better than just, you know, with the background song and some strong hooks. Like, I'm personally tired of it. And maybe this is the way. So okay, I hope that I covered everything that I wanted. Maybe not, but you know what, I can just explain it in the next video anyway. So this is like a trial. So let's see how this will go again. Anyway, thank you so much. If you're here like all the time, well, thank you so much. And I hope that you enjoy crocheting, and you know, yeah, happy Friday, and happy weekend. So again, have a good day, happy crocheting, and see you later.